What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to split shapes using the Adobe Illustrator application. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, make a shape you wish to cut. You can then make a line using the Line Segment tool. In case you're unable to find the tool, then click on this burger menu to access all of your tools. After placing the line, select both the line and the shape tool using your selection tool. Navigate to Window and then Pathfinder to open up this window. Here, in order to cut the shape, make sure to use the Divide option under Pathfinders. In case you're getting an error, or if it's not working at all, then make sure to select your shape and navigate to Object, Expand. Using your direct selection tool, you can now left-click and hold and drag the cut piece away. When replacing the new shape, you can then select the two separate pieces, and using your Shape Builder tool, simply draw this line over the two shapes in order to merge them back together. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.